Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is verdant. It is pronounced verdant and is spelt V-E-R-D-A-N-T. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Verdant is an adjective which means green with grass or other rich vegetation. It can also mean inexperienced or unsophisticated. For example, you could say the hills were covered in a verdant carpet of grass, or the young adventurer was verdant in the ways of the world. The word verdant comes from the Latin word viridis, meaning green. In the television show Teletubbies, the characters live in a colourful and verdant landscape called Teletubby Land, which is filled with lush green hills, vibrant flowers, and playful animals. Synonyms for verdant include lush, green, leafy, and flourishing. Antonyms for verdant include barren, arid, and lifeless. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, verdant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.